All right, welcome to the draft. We're live. It's going to go on YouTube. You guys can be in it if you want. All right. So, here's the list what everybody has. Corey and Wiseman are here. Okay.
This is Ben. He thinks it's rigged.
Yeah? Well. Oh well. All right. I have the list here. Everybody has their numbers. If your number comes up the second time, it doesn't count. Okay? Because all we're looking for is for it to be who it is. No biases here, Ben. For the first overall pick in the draft, B14. Me.
Rigged.
Rigged, Ben. Ben, it's rigged.
Okay, so B14. So now if any of mine come up, we just don't worry about it. N40, the second pick of the draft, John Copperthorne. So this is 1, 2. Third pick of the draft, N31. Copperthorne again. So, just discredit that one. N38. Mike gets the third pick. Fourth pick. I-25. We're going to hit a lot of repeats. That's me. I-17. That's Drew. So that's fourth pick.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth pick of the draft. I-29. Already got Mike. Now this is where we're going to have a lot of repeats. N37. That's me. I-19, BJ, the fifth pick of the draft, giving Berg the last pick. We don't need to spin anymore. Right? Because there's 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Berg gets 6 by default.
by default because it's still in here. Right?
Yep.
Am I doing that right?
Yep.
Put yourselves on the camera there.
Yes.
Get in the picture, Corey. Don't just
Ben,
sit
it was rigged completely,
all
entirely.
the way. Corey, get in the picture.
Yes.
Okay. Hell yeah, first pick of the draft. Okay.
We have so long until the next draft.
Hold on. You do have so long until the next draft. I just want to...
Witnesses on camera.
Well, not only that.
Oh, man. Well done.
Alrighty.